This bulldozer driver is an all-rounder. Not only can he drive a bulldozer, but he can also direct a truck, but this time the command truck went a little wrong and actually got the truck trapped. What can I do? Don't worry, this bulldozer driver was very responsible, and instead of running away from the problem, he decided to solve it himself. He drove the bulldozer to the back of the truck and helped the truck from behind, trying to free him from the secret. I have to say that this bulldozer driver is really calm and decisive. He is not panicked at all when he encounters problems, and immediately thinks of a solution. He is not only highly skilled, but also has a responsible heart, which makes us praise his mechanics and sense of responsibility. This car is too strong, and the truck doesn't move at all, which is really worrying. The bulldozer driver was also a little worried, and he didn't seem to have found the right focus to help the truck. What can I do? Don't worry, the bulldozer driver has a way, and he will definitely figure out a way to get the truck out of trouble. He still has a good way to come to this bulldozer driver. After some hard work, he finally found the right focus and pushed the truck out of the predicament in one fell swoop. It's a thrilling challenge. This bulldozer driver is not only highly skilled, but also has an indomitable heart, and let us applaud his wisdom and courage. This bulldozer driver is really a workaholic. Even if there was a small episode just now, he was not affected in the slightest, and immediately threw himself into his work, seizing the time to flatten the picture. His dedication are truly impressive. He knew his duty, and he was going to bulldoze the field and get ready for the next truck. He is a person with a strong sense of responsibility, and he knows that only by doing his job well, can he ensure the smooth progress of the whole project. His efforts and dedication are not only for himself, but also for the success of the whole team and the project. The tacit cooperation between the truck driver and the bulldozer driver is truly a first-class teamwork. The truck driver and the bulldozer driver seem to have a heart-to-heart relationship, and the coordination between them is like a perfect dance. When the bulldozer driver had just bulldozed the site, the truck driver showed up just in time. The harmony between them is truly seamless. This not only shows their superb skills, but also shows their importance and tacit understanding of teamwork. And the other bulldozer driver at the scene was also a responsible person. When a bulldozer driver needs a break, he is able to quickly get back to work and get on with his job. Their tacit understanding and collaboration make the whole workflow smoother and greatly improve work efficiency. This kind of teamwork not only enables the task to be completed quickly, but also reduces mistakes in the work. Their tacit understanding and collaborative spirit are not only worthy of praise and learning, but also worthy of respect and cherishment by each of us. Let's cheer the chemistry and collaboration of these two bulldozer drivers and truck drivers. Their excellent performance not only shows their individual talent and sense of responsibility, but also shows the great power of human teamwork. We should learn from them, pay attention to teamwork, improve our sense of responsibility and work efficiency, and bring more beauty and achievements to our life and work. There are still a lot of small engineering episodes, so you don't have to sink into the power. The bulldozer master just now saw that something was wrong and immediately came over to take over. After all, it is the most experienced in this aspect of rescue operations, and it solves the dilemma of the truck at once. This bulldozer driver deserves to be the brightest star in this project, and the profession is different. Then I won't say much for the rest of the day. For the rest of the time, let's quietly watch the project. The process is quite decompressing. The rest of the time, we watched the project quietly. The rest of the time, we watched the project quietly. The rest of the time, After the rest of the time, we're 2 AD. Time remaining. When we saw them at the time, we started to scout the truck with waterwalk. Wow. Peaceful. Chinese subtitle voluntarily Zhongxing. Chinese subtitle voluntarily Zhongxing. Chinese subtitle voluntarily Zhongxing. Chinese subtitle voluntarily Zhongxing. Chinese subtitle voluntarily Zhongxing.